Ready to unify your online brand by connecting your Wix domain to your brand new Shopify store? Let's dive in. First, log in to your Wix account. We need to get some information from your domain settings. Once logged in, find and click on the Domains tab. This is where you manage all your Wix purchased domains. Now, locate the domain you want to connect to Shopify and select it. You'll be looking for an option that lets you manage its DNS records or connect it to an external platform. Here's the crucial part: we need to update your DNS records. You'll typically want to change your record, and possibly a CNAME record. Wix usually provides clear instructions on how to do this. Now, switch over to your Shopify admin in your Shopify admin. Navigate to Settings. Then Domains, you'll see an option to connect an existing domain or manage your connected domains. In Wix, you'll be entering specific IP addresses provided by Shopify. These typically look like a series of numbers separated by dots. You'll likely need to update at least one A record with these Shopify IP addresses. Next, for the CNAME record, you'll enter a specific address provided by Shopify, often something like shops.shopify.com. This tells browsing services where to find your Shopify store. After you've entered these details in Wix, save your changes. It's important to know that DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet, usually a few hours, but sometimes up to 48 hours. Back in Shopify, you might need to click a Verify Connection button. The system will then check if the DNS records have been updated correctly. Once the changes have propagated and Shopify verifies the connection, your Wix domain will now direct customers straight to your Shopify store. Congratulations on a unified online presence.